In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an overlay in Capcut PC. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to open Capcut in your system. If you already have an icon of Capcut on your desktop, you can just simply double click on it to open it. But if you don't have an icon on your desktop, you can type into the search box of Windows for Capcut. After that, you will be able to see here Capcut in the search results, and then you want to click on it to open it. Then you want to click on create project to create a new project. And first of all, I'm going to import some media to show you how you can add an overlay. First of all, I'm going to drag in the first clip on my timeline. So for example, I want to put in the second clip as my overlay. If you have already used Capcut in your phone, you have an option there to add an overlay, but in computer, you don't have this option. So I'm going to show you how you can add the second clip as your overlay. For this, you're going to drag that clip to your timeline, but you're going to make sure that you're not putting on top of the first clip, as well as not ahead of the first clip. So to add this as your overlay, you're going to move this clip on top of the second clip until you see this green type of line. Once you see that, you can just drop your clip over here and it will be as an overlay to your project. So I'm going to drag it to the start. And as you can see here that we can also see one of the clips over here. So if I also want to see the second clip, I'm going to make the first clip smaller by dragging through the corners. Or you also have the option over here for scaling, followed by these position and rotate options. And if you scroll down more over here, you can also set the opacity of the first clip. And if I move it to like 50, I will be able to see here both of the clips. So in the same way, you can just drag in your clip to your timeline until you see this green type of line, and you can add in as many overlays as you want in your project.